In Oklahoma said that they want to be real big boxers, but a lot of people don't really put the real work in that they supposed to. And in Vegas, it was just the experience out there. You see, they really want it. They really want it. I walk in the gyms, I go to gyms from gym sometimes just to get sparring, and everybody feel like they didn't already made it. Big dog. That's like the other day, you know, we had a sparring session yesterday, and a guy tried to big dog me and got humbled.
Wow.
But like I tell everybody,
the MMA pro fighter?
Yeah, the MMA pro fighter. You know, but like I tell everybody, man, be humble. You know, just be humble. Because I'm very humble. I just stay to myself. But it's good work, though. But like I tell everybody,
The MMA pro fighter?
Yeah, the MMA pro fighter. You know, but like I tell everybody, man, be humble. You know, just be humble. Because I'm very humble. I just stay to myself. But it's good work, though.
That's good. So that was from the boxer's standpoint, from the coach's standpoint. Compared to Oklahoma City, what was the difference?
They locked in.
Okay. The coaches too?
Yeah.
Oh.
They locked in. And an environment I definitely like being around. You know, every round coach, it's a coach really locked in with you, not just partially, you know. It's a lot of partial coaches out here. A lot of coaches say that they real coaches, and I'm gonna be the one. I don't care, you know. I'm gonna be the one to speak honesty into the situation. A lot of people ask me on social, like, who you train? Why you don't have no coach? Man, a lot of these coaches don't be genuine. They don't trust the process and what you really want to do. And, you know, there's nothing wrong with it, but that's why you got to cut ties and continue to work on you, because the right coach is going to come when it's needed, when it needs to come.
Yeah.
Don't just force it. And like I said, everything is a stepping stone. So when it comes to that, in Vegas, night and day with that too, the coaches is really locked in with you. You know, it's a lot of fighters out there that's going to make a name for themselves, who's trying to make a name for themselves, and coaches want to see them succeed. And I want to be in that environment. And I don't feel like it's really that environment in Oklahoma that I've seen. Just being 100% honest with you.
Just being, you know, honest with yourself.
Yeah.
What you've seen so far. So how's it been since you're coming back from Vegas, coming back to the Oklahoma City? How's it been so far, so good?
I've been hungry. I've been hungry.
What's one thing that you know, just to sum up your whole experience in Vegas, what's one thing that you took away from that trip to Vegas?
What I took from Vegas?
Yeah, to Oklahoma City.
Train harder. You gotta go harder.
What do you mean by train harder?
In Vegas, they don't really do rounds. A lot of times they cut the clock off.
Okay.
Yeah, doghouse sparring.
10 minutes.
Yeah, they cut it off. You just whoever drop.
The weaker guys will tap out.
Yeah, whoever drop. You drop.
So what was your longest sparring minute when you were out there in Vegas?
We didn't go long. We only went 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got some working with Jahan. I think that's Jahan. Yeah, I got some working with him. He's one of Floyd Mayweather's fighters. He's pretty good. Yeah, I got some working with him, but it was good work.
Wow. Earlier on, you said you played basketball, right?
Yeah.
So at what point do you switch to boxing?
Well, I switched after I was at my D2. I went to a D2. I had some D1 offers. I went to a D2, pretty decent. Wrong coach, you know, wrong program. That's all I'm gonna say. You know, so I was real set back from that, you know, because I put my whole life into basketball, and that took me out of so many places, and to just let a coach just snatch it away from you for something that was happening off the court, you know. But it is what it is.
You was top 100, right?
Huh?
You was top 100.
Yeah, I was top. Yeah,
in the nation?
I was one of the top players. Yeah.
Wow.
In JUCO, I was in Oklahoma. They had me ranked top 5.
Wow.
Yeah, when I was at Seminole State. Yeah, so it was games where I was going 30, 40 point games. You know, I was going crazy. I still do though. I still hoop. You know, don't get it twisted, but I feel like this is where I'm gonna get my money at. So I'm just excited for what's coming in the future.
That's really good. That's really good, man. So what's one thing that you took away from basketball that you applied to boxing that is being useful to
Athletic. I'm athletic.
fast?
Yeah, fast as hell. You know, I'm athletic. And I got real good defense and I'm able to move real good.
Got a question for what do you think about Floyd Mayweather?
Man,
In your honest opinion.
honest opinion,
Yeah.
people don't like him. Me, personally, and I don't know him.
Yeah.
I think nothing's wrong with him. I think he's a fighter who made his name, put in his time, what he needed to do, and he talking his shit now. And you gotta respect it. You gotta respect it. And he still put in the work. You know, I would love to get some work in or ever get a chance to go out there and work with him. I definitely would. You know, I definitely would love to get a couple rounds in with him, honestly. Because I know he's the greatest. Am I gonna get touched up? I mean, it happens, it's boxing. But he gonna know that he a dog. You know, he gonna understand, he gonna know that.
Work.
Yeah, he gonna know. Yeah, he gonna touch me up. I mean, he's the best fighter in the world. But he gonna understand, for this guy to be boxing for a year, he is a dog and he's special.
That's good stuff, man. November 11th, this coming Saturday, right? You're gonna be in the ring. Cause the last time I saw you in the ring was like
It's been a minute.
May, right?
Yeah,
It looks forever, but
yeah.
it's still.
It's been a
not
minute.
forever. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's like 6 months. Yeah. So what should we expect from you? You know, what should we be expecting to see from you in the ring?
An animal, a good fight. You know, yeah, this fight means a lot to me. You know, this means a lot. Losing my sister right before my last fight, literally 2 days before my last fight, this means a lot to me. And every other fight from now on. So, you know, I made that promise to her that I was gonna do that, and I was gonna really stay locked in with everything I got going forward. So this fight, I'm not going in the ring to make enemies, but somebody gotta feel my pain too.
You've been through a lot this year, bro.
Yeah.
What's keeping you going? And I'm sorry too, because
No, it's good, man.
you know, we also rest in
God.
peace, but like,
God has kept me going. You know, I came in contact with one of my good friends, man. I met this guy not too long ago. It's just crazy. Over a necklace. The little what is those necklaces called? The little crystals? You know, the quartz crystals? Yeah, so I met a guy, his name is Wes, and me and him been locked in for, you know, we've been locked in for a little minute, man, and he didn't brought me to church. He didn't kind of, you know, brought me back a little bit when I felt like I was slipping off to the deep end. And God put him in my life, perfect timing, because I mean, I had, you know, crazy thoughts. Because it's just been so much going on just this year alone.
I know.
And
I know.
yeah, man, so like I said, this fight is gonna mean a lot to me, and I just hope he's ready for whatever comes with this fight, because I'm ready for whatever's gonna come out this fight.
Wow. That's good
And
stuff. That's dope.
I'm not leaving the fight with a loss. So.
That's good stuff, man. Do you do therapy or something?
No, man, I don't, man. I just, you know, sometimes when I go home, I turn on like a little podcast, a little Christian podcast, or a little some Christian music, man, and I just listen to
good.
it.
God is everything, man.
Yeah, I just listen to the word, and I understand that different levels come with different devils, you know, and I feel like I'm going to a different level. And a lot of these guys around me that actually see it, they notice it, and you know, so I gotta make sure I gotta stay sane and stay locked in on what I need to do.
So
but I'm blessed, man.
Perspective about life change
with my family situation?
Yeah, this year.
Yeah, for sure. It's, you know, you be here one day, gone the next, you know. But I say, I always tell your people you love them, because you never know when you're gonna talk to them again. If you're gonna talk to them again, you know. I really try not to go build enemies. Like, I was real hot-headed, you know. I was really in the streets running around my older brothers and stuff like that. I got 11 brothers, so I was really active at one point. But now I've been real relaxed, you know, trying to be more of a motivator and to the young and the youth
I see you in the gym a couple of times.
yeah, you know,
Training
but
kids.
I'm still active. You know, when it comes to certain things, I'm still active. And I'm never gonna be a pushover in those situations.
Yeah, honestly, from the bottom of my heart, you know, sorry for your loss, and I'm very happy for you at the same
Appreciate
time.
that.
Because, I don't want to say it makes you a better person
Yeah.
now, and I'm so happy that you didn't lost it. Like you still, it makes you a better person, because some people, stuff like that will happen to them in life. They just
They'll
start going
fumble.
down the drain. They lost family members, even they will lose themselves in this situation. I'm happy for you that you still got it, and all I would say is just you got to do it for them, man. You
Yeah.
gotta do for your sister.
I mean, but don't get me wrong, I've been trying to take fights though. I didn't
Yeah,
sign up for a
people
couple
be-
fights.
Okay.
You know,
Okay.
you know, like I know what's been going on.
Yep.
But hey, I got this fight. You know,
can't
I got to
wait.
start traveling to fight.
I can't wait to see you in the ring, bro.
I got this fight, so I'm blessed with this one. I'm a lot more composed, and a lot more dangerous.
So what's been training like? For you, we only have today's Monday. We have about 5 days to the fight. What's been training like for you, man?
This week,
Yeah.
I'm a spar. Like yesterday, I probably went like 12 rounds of sparring yesterday with different guys. Every couple rounds of different guys. Today I'm gonna get some more sparring. Tomorrow I'm gonna get some more sparring. Yeah, I want to spar, get right. To let everybody know, everybody say they #1, but it's me.
So what type of Domo we gonna see on Saturday? Come Saturday, 11 November 2020.
Check me out, man.
Yeah. Talk your
November 11th,
shit. Yes, sir. Let's go.
they wanted the animal. I'm gonna bring him out. You know, it's nothing more, nothing less. And you can't run from this one. It's time. We locked in. For sure.